Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on BONK cryptocurrency price prediction for December 2023. Another meme coin taking the spotlight for a couple of days. So I thought I'm gonna give it a try and share with you, especially for the ones that enjoy this kind of cryptocurrencies. It is good to know a couple of things. I've been around since 2014 as a full-time trader. I've been around everything that could exist into testing it out. Spent when the ICO times were out there in 2016, 17, 18, we spent about $300,000 in all sorts of ICOs. 99% of them just completely vanished away. Then there's been times correlated with NFTs, meme tokens, and all sorts of situations when we actually spent around $1.6 million that have been completely lost. So we're actually talking about a very, very strong experience in the topic. BONK cryptocurrency is the third meme coin right now based on market cap. It is the #1 on Solana's chain, and it had the ability to construct its movement to the tops by being on a chain right now, which is extremely popular and well performing. So we're going to take care about it on a price prediction and see what kind of things can we speak about a crypto. It has been launched quite recently, like a year ago in 2022, in December 2022. BONK right now is pretty much having a very strong volume as well. So we're talking about a crypto which is generating enthusiasm around the space. And as you already know, there is a large category of people in the crypto space that are not giving up until they lose everything. Now, I don't want to mean something wrong about BONK or meme coins by saying that, but I'm telling you specifically out of the context that there's people right there that are not careful at all, and they don't want to give up on cryptos that they're doing in a style till they are not going to lose everything. I'm just raising the alarm, guys. I'm not telling you you will lose everything with BONK at all. I'm not telling you anything around that. Simply saying that anyone that participated into this, for example, the last month, 415%, the last year, 11,659%, right? So I'm pretty much far away of speaking that people that did participate in BONK from those times or anything sooner than that is at a position of losing everything. I mean, look at the numbers. You don't usually see something sitting on the trendings #1 and have those numbers. But at the same time, you need to know how the meme coins are acting when they are lacking the spotlight, momentum, energy, which is driving them. Usually they are dying big time. So it is great to be part of something that you're actually riding. And compared to other meme coins that are already existing and established, such as Shiba or Pepe coin, always the new ones coming into will perform much better. Keep that in mind, because they're not yet established, they have not been adopted that much, and it's basically the new kind of a concept for people. People enjoy the new things. And I'm sure you have seen that even people have the things they need in life. They need to buy the new things that are pretty much having the same use of what kind of stuff do they already have. So they just buy because it's a new thing. This is how their psychology works for the majority. Not speaking about me and about you, but I'm just pointing out some numbers, which is why the new meme coins are also enjoyed, even though they have a huge amount of risk compared to the other ones existing already that are established. Now, it's done with that part of the discussion. For those of you that would like to subscribe to my channel, make sure you do it. We also have a video series with 100 episodes of price predictions for 2024. Different cryptos. We are looking around and sharing with you price predictions which are down to the earth. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments area on any topic, folks. At the same time, you can be part of my trades. You can also see my performance trades where I have no upfront fees, only commission based on performance from the pure profits that you are paying every 7 days. Very simple and straightforward. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching program for those of you which would like to be serious about this business and take the crypto stuff to the next level. Whether you do it part-time or full-time, you need to do it correctly. You cannot gamble, you cannot trade in hope, and you cannot expect the market is going to listen to your desire and then execute. Simply said, watch this video and then we can talk about it. You can free conversation with me of 15 minutes. You can schedule it by yourself on Calendly as well. So let's see what's happening with BONK. Not an easy situation to build up charts, especially that, right now it's still out there on KuCoin and we have some representation that is a little more quality. So the hourly candlestick here for BONK, massive movements across the board since it has been adopted through the exchanges. And we have been talking about a price action of an all-time high sitting on 15,000 right there at the top, where we actually just retrace it as expected, as normally. The retracement was 33%, which was part of a pretty traditional and general retracement, considered conservative at the end of the day, successfully confirming in the upper side of the anchored volume weighted average price indicator. This is very important, guys. One thing that is also very important is we have been helped, we have been supported and sustained by the upper line of the indicator throughout the entire move, which kind of showed us the strength this cryptocurrency is going to have and the way it will continuously break out. So if you were on the same page, then you already knew that the crypto is going to the levels it has reached very, very well. At the same time, you need to consider that when you are retracing and you're still confirming above the cloud, in the second part of the cloud, not above the cloud, in the second part, in the higher side of the cloud, which means above the median line, then you're actually talking about a possibility of continuation by breaking the previous top, which is more likely than continuing downwards and losing the low which has been made. At the same time, you can retest that low here and have a mixture with a median line of the indicator. Now you are also facing struggle because of the golden pocket resistance. There is a previous top made right there. But as the market is trying to recover the crypto space, which has been going through some dips in the past 48 hours, BONK is successfully continuing their ride in the right direction. You also have the key level generated by the fixed range volume, which is a red line coming through like that. This level is basically what is going to dictate whether you are on the upper side of a lower side of the domination of the energy. So now you're on the upper side. If you confirm above that, if you have other indications of confirmations, you're having strength basically to push back to the all-time high. When we enter in the price discovery, BONK can do and deliver great numbers, especially that it's on the Solana blockchain. Now I'm going to tell you something, that there's going to be millions of dollars made and tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars made as profits from all sorts of meme coins and cryptocurrencies from Solana blockchain in the upcoming period. Because as a blockchain, in comparison with many other alternatives, we see an extreme hype in the on-chain activity, delivering through all sorts of decentralized apps and services. So we actually see the major attention right now taken by Solana, which is where the big money is sort of a way playing around. Now, considering the moving averages, which is a mandatory thing for such crypto as well, because of the bot trading existent, you have the 200 days, but you need to keep that in mind. We are on the hourly charts. You have the 100 days, which is the one holding and supporting you guys. And that's something I will definitely portray as well. 100 days is the key level here to hold you, support you, and take you to the next level. Definitely possible, feasible, and achievable. And the way the situation is portrayed right now, if BTC allows BONK to breathe a little bit, it will just go past, beyond, and higher than the all-time high very, very soon in December. What about the targets above? Well, let's take a look at it in the most realistic way. I'm going to clearly hunt the 20,000, the 1.618, and consider the 2.618 along the way with the number 3, which is 25,000 and 23,000. So 4 different targets for December as soon as we successfully break the all-time high, which we should keep in mind for BONK cryptocurrency. You also want to make sure that there could be some great news adoption on exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, you never know. Honestly speaking, there's always a possibility out there on the table. And I would like to tell you that you never know. But at the same time, you're not supposed to trade because it must be adopted on that specific exchange by tomorrow without having the information coming from the official source. So be careful, because usually these cryptocurrencies are having and building a massive spike around the false adoptions they are most likely putting out. I'm not saying specifically BONK, but usually, like I said, they enjoy doing that because it attracts people into the crypto space, and every single person that bought earlier would like to increase their bags, so they will tell you a lot of the shit. That's what it is, guys. Even if it's not real, no one cares about it at this time. Now, I'm here to clear the things and point out the things that you would like to consider. Beautiful. That's pretty much all, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, tell me your prediction on BONK. Don't tell me it's going to be in December $10, because I don't believe you. If it's going to be at a $10 mark, you can contact me and ask anything. At the same time, we need to consider, for those of you that are interested, to join my trades, no prior fee, only commission from profits made, and commissions are paid by you every 7 days. We perform the trading completely outsourced, or you can trade by yourself in a signals way as well, including then the discussion around the coaching program. Now, for those of you that are looking to sit away, prepare the weapons needed for the bull market. Had a great opportunity, had a great start during this phase of the market. Make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching program page. It's a presentation right here in the video where I'm explaining you how does it work. A comprehensive coaching that takes you by hand and teaches you how to trade, basically, in a nutshell. Register now for more information. Jump on a free call with me and let me get you into the topic. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.